Hello and welcome to Weekydo. Today I'm going to show you how to get the most out of your time with the help of our tool. No need to worry, the first steps are very simple. Weekydo is a smart weekly schedule through which you start by choosing your priorities before actually recording your tasks. This way you automatically focus on what is most important to you. You can use Weekydo on your computer or on your smartphone. It's best to use both versions, but to get started, you will definitely need the desktop version. What is Weekydo all about? Quite simply, it's a tool that helps you to prioritize your tasks step by step, such that you become much more productive. As a result, you gain more time, feel less stressed, and can enjoy celebrating your successes, which, by the way, will come about much more frequently. You can test Weekydo as a web and app assistant for 3 months free of charge. Ready for it? Let's get started.